Hello everyone. These are some very important multiple choice questions from the poem Dover Beach written by Matthew Arnold. Question 1. Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold is a lyric, sonnet, lullaby, soliloquy. These are the four options. Now eliminate, analyze and choose the right answer. Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold is a lyric. So option A is the right answer. The next one. The predominant theme of Dover Beach is option A, despair, option B, doubt, option C, melancholy, option D, all of the above. Now, doubt, despair, melancholy, all of the above. These four options seem interrelated, interconnected and almost similar. But the right answer, according to me, the most appropriate response is the predominant theme of Dover Beach is melancholy. If you use the term melancholy, under it comes despair, doubt, pessimism, purposelessness, everything. So, I will choose option C, melancholy. Next, it's time for question number 3. The sea is calm tonight, the tide is full, the moon lies fair upon the straits. These lines evoke a picture of tenderness, beauty, a picture of disharmony, a picture of happiness, or a picture of meditation. The right answer is these lines evoke option A, a picture of tenderness and beauty. The moon blanched landscape and the calm sea are replaced by a darkling plain in the concluding stanza. Number 4. The meaning of fair in the moon lies fair is bright, white, lovely, joyous. Yes, it is a moonlit night. Bright appears to be the right answer. White, the white moon beams, the silver white moon beams. Lovely, joyous. Almost all options are interconnected, but the most appropriate response is the moon looks lovely. Option C is the right answer. Next, what stands glimmering and vast out in the tranquil bay? The French coast, the cliffs of England, the Aegean, the Dover Beach. What is the right answer? If you read the poem thoroughly, you will see that the cliffs of England stand glimmering and vast out in the tranquil bay. Option B, the cliffs of England, is the right answer. Question 6 now. Come to the window, sweet is the night air. Who is being addressed here? The poet's beloved, the poet himself, the readers, the poet's daughter. The right answer is option A, the poet's beloved. Next, question 7. What is the only anchorage in this world of intellectual confusion and doubt? Faith, love, material prosperity, or beauty? The right answer is option B, love. Our love, let us be true to one another. These are the quoted lines from the poem. The right answer is love. Question 8. The last 8 lines of Dover Beach give a fine expression of Arnold's objectivity, skepticism, philosophy of life, or melancholy. The right answer is option D, melancholy or pessimism. Next, question 9. The perpetual movement of waves symbolize monotony, despair, chaotic world, stability, crisis of faith. Yes, there is crisis of faith in the Victorian Age. It is indeed a chaotic world, but the perpetual movement of waves symbolize, the right answer is option A, monotony and despair. The most appropriate response is option A. Question number 10. The calm beginning of the poem Dover Beach is a part of the poet's strategy. Option A, to relate his personal feeling of purposelessness. Option B, to evoke a movement from spiritual security to existential worry. Option C, to present a picturesque setting. Option D, to impress the readers. What do you think is the right answer? It is the beginning of modern anxiety. Chaotic situation during the Victorian Age and the baffled condition of the world, signifying the beginning of modern anxiety. So the right answer is option B, to evoke a movement from spiritual security to existential worry. Yes, he also has a feeling of purposelessness, but the most appropriate response here is option B. The next one, question 11. What did Sophocles long ago hear on the Aegean? Eternal note of sadness, withdrawing roar, turbid ebb and flow, or tremulous cadence? The right answer is eternal note of sadness. Matthew Arnold also hears a similar eternal note of sadness, and Sophocles also hears a similar eternal note of sadness. What do naked shingles of the world signify? Question 12. Option A, image of abundance. B, barrenness pervading human civilization. C, purposelessness of man. Or D, chaotic world. Again, eliminate, analyze and choose very quickly. The right answer is option B, barrenness pervading human civilization. Yes, it is a chaotic world where man is suffering from purposelessness, but the word naked highlights the barrenness pervading human civilization. Question 13. Sophocles long ago heard it on the Aegean, and it brought into his mind the turbid ebb and flow of human misery. We find also in the sound a thought, hearing it by the distant northern sea. Which figure of speech is predominant in the quoted lines? Alliteration, allusion, simile, or anaphora? The right answer is allusion. Sophocles long ago heard it on the Aegean. So this is an example of allusion. Do check the description box for the easy explanation of the poem Dover Beach. Coming back to this question, here there is an allusion to a passage in the ancient Greek play Antigone by Sophocles. The speaker says that Sophocles heard a similar sound near the Aegean Sea, which brought to his mind a similar note of despondency. This is the explanation of this answer. Next, what thought was brought into Sophocles' mind, made him think of the murky and obscure rise and fall of despair and desolation that man is subjected to? Option B, made him aware of the tender beauty of ebb and flow. Option C, made him think that the world is a battlefield. Both A and C. Option D, both A and C is not right, because the world becomes a darkling plain in Dover Beach in the concluding section of the poem. Here, naturally, option B is also incorrect, because this thought does not make him aware of the tender beauty of ebb and flow. The right answer is option A, made him think of the murky and obscure rise and fall of despair and desolation that man is subjected to. Next, the expression this distant northern sea refers to French coast, Greece, English Channel, or Dover Beach. The right answer is English Channel. Option C. Question 4 now. A sad thought similar to Sophocles' thought came to the poet's mind. What is a similar thought? similar note of despondency, similar note of infirmity, similar note of urgency, all of the above. The right answer is, as discussed, option A, similar note of despondency. Pessimism, melancholy. Question 14. The sea of faith was once too at the full, and round earth's shore lay like the folds of a bright girdle, furled. What kind of imagery is used here? Clothing imagery, auditory imagery, olfactory imagery, or kinesthetic imagery? The right answer is option A, clothing imagery. And the analysis? Religion, belief are like garments that protect us and impart in us the feeling of solidarity. This faith during the Victorian period was shaken and humanity lay bare. Therefore, the right answer is clothing imagery. A protection round earth's shore lay like the folds of a bright girdle furled. Next, question 15. The retreating tide is a symbol of bewilderment, perplexity, passivity, loss of faith. Very easy. Option D is the right answer, loss of faith. Question 16. The grating roar of pebbles is a symbol of what? Natural beauty, disharmony, chaos, both B and C. Grating is an example of onomatopoeia. Keep this in mind. And the grating roar of pebbles is a symbol of, the right answer is option D, both B and C, that is disharmony and chaos. Question 17 now. Which one of the following is not a visual imagery? The moon lies fair, the sea is calm tonight, melancholy long withdrawing roar, the moon branched land. Again, very easy, simple. It's option C, not a visual imagery. Option C is the right answer, melancholy long withdrawing roar. Question 18. The world seems to be like tranquil bay, moon branched land, darkling plain, or a land of dreams. Read the text and you will get the answer. The right answer is, for the world which seems to lie before us like a land of dreams, option D. Question 19. The word night in the line, where ignorant armies clash by night, is symbolizing darkness due to setting of sun, darkness due to lack of wisdom, darkness due to ignorance, both B and C. The right answer is option D, both B and C, darkness due to lack of wisdom and darkness due to ignorance. Next, question 20. The word light in the line hath really neither joy nor love nor light, symbolizes grace of God, sunlight, love, none of the above. The right answer is grace of God. Question 21. The poem Dover Beach is a dramatic monologue, an aside, a soliloquy, or both A and C. The right answer is, it is a dramatic monologue. Next, question 22. The concluding image of ignorant armies clashing by night is suggested by the description of Sophocles, of Battle of Troy, of the Greek play Antigone, Thucydides, Book 7, History of the Peloponnesian War. The right answer is option D, Thucydides, Book 7, History of the Peloponnesian War. Question 23. What is the figure of speech so various, so beautiful, so new, hath really neither joy, nor love, nor light, nor certitude, nor peace, nor help for pain? Anaphora, simile, onomatopoeia, or metaphor? The right answer is option A, anaphora. Look how the word so is repeated. So various, so beautiful, so new. And again, we have nor love, nor light, nor certitude, nor peace, nor help. So, this repetition suggests that the figure of speech, the literary device used here is option A, anaphora. Question 24. To lie before us like a land of dreams. Identify the literary device, metaphor, alliteration, simile, both B and C. The right answer is option D, both B and C. To lie, lie, like, land. So, it's alliteration, and to lie before us like a land of dreams. It is a simile. The last question, the sea of faith has retreated metaphorically, suggesting it is a metaphor, the sea of faith, and it suggests cultural moral decomposition, doubt, anxiety, fading of Christianity in the Victorian age, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Cultural moral decomposition, doubt, anxiety, fading of Christianity in the Victorian age. So D is the right answer. The metaphorical significance of the image of the sea of faith, the ocean of religious belief, and the conviction of the world. Thank you for watching this video, and do check the description box for more reference materials.